JBL claims that this wired headphones has a pure bass sound. But before we start to check if this is true, let's check first its specification. It has a 3.5mm angle jack with 3.65 feet cable length. The ear tip is made from the finest silicone so that your ears won't hurt. It has a 9mm driver size with a frequency response of 20 to 20 kHz. It also features a one button for remote. Click once to play or stop the song. Click twice to fast forward. And click 3 times to go back. So what's inside the box? There you will find an extra ear tips, small, medium and large. Another thing is you will find some warranty card, and warning card, and finally a pair of Tune 110 headphone. So it's time to test. So I bought this to try. I'm not expecting any difference with the bundled headphones from my mobile phone. But I was very impressed with the bass sound and the clarity of the song. The bass is rich, deep and powerful. You will feel and you will hear the songs better. Unlike any other headphones that I use, JBL Tune 110 was definitely a pure bass sound. And I will definitely recommend, not only for the quality but also for the price. And that's it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!